here scouting for fish down below. So when we see one swimming around down there, we creep down and take some casts at it. Cool. It is beautiful out here. That guy's quietly stalking some fish here.
Oh, come on.
So we spotted a rainbow trout over here, and we're gonna go try to catch them. So you're wondering all this movement around here. I forget the camera's on and you can hear me, but these freaking sandflies are ridiculous. No, it's okay. I'll be fine. I'm still talking to my camera, trying to do a little bit of narrating, right? That way people back home know what's going on. You still see them?
Again, mate. Whew, do that again. You actually come and had a look at that. You lifted and had a look.
All right. Good shit. Yes, that's it. All right.
You got these nice snags again.
Come out, man.
I guess you had a little better view up here, you know, but
Whoa.
damn. Oh yeah.
You see that thing down there, eh?
Where is it?
Oh yeah. Sweet. Sweet. Oh yeah.
Oh, I see him.
Nice.
What do you think, baby?
Man, unbelievable. That is some cool stuff. Nice. Nice. Nice job. Right, nice job, let me tell you. Woohoo! Sweet! Nice job, brother. You put me right on him. Yeah, you gotta. Okay. Gotta love, that is some cool shit. That is some cool shit. My first trout on the fly. Nice. Sweet. That is sweet. Oh, oh, there it goes. Oh, oh, nice one. Got a little muscle. Nice. And the river runs through it. Wow.
Wow, baby, that's a big fish.
Let him,
Put it on the right hand down on, see what it does. Yep, beautiful.
There it is.
You know, when he sees the net, man, they're just gonna go again.
go, huh? Yeah, I don't want to force him too much, for sure. Damn. Sweet.
Come to fish the clear water of New Zealand, brother.
They can see through here.
Yeah. Never had so much fun catching a 3-pound fish in my life. Nice. Our guide here, oh, you guys heard it. We spent the last 10 minutes trying to coach me. Casted. I missed it a couple times. He changed my fly. And I think on the first cast, right? Second cast, he ate it right up.
There it is.
I didn't like you at all, huh? He said nope.
Too much. He's trying. He's getting a little tired though. Oh, all right. Woohoo! Oh, nice. All right. Sweet. May I hold him or no?
Yeah,
totally.
I'll
be careful.
There's a whole catch and release thing going on here, can't you?
Oh, yeah. Ready, baby? I don't want him to fall out of my hand. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Baby, very cool.
The coolest.
Thank you, buddy. You go have a nice day. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you, man.
Well done, man.
Nice, nice, nice. That was super cool.
That was awesome, man.
Wow.
Oh, baby.
I know he didn't look real big, but damn.
No, but it was there.
That was nice. I mean, for, damn. That was a lot of fun. For you guys back home, that's how we do it.